Uncovering the secrets of the universe with a we read the signs written across the sky. Knowledge unfolds by a measured design. Every path leads to truth divine. From silent space to the human mind, wisdom appears perfectly aligned. Uncovering the secrets the ages conceal. Through learning, hearts begin to feel. Not as a ruler, not as a soul, but guided hands to reach the goal. With humble steps and searching eyes, we learn, reflect, and realize. Uncovering